Hello everybody, and welcome to a video on my 1972 Volkswagen Beetle. And today we are going to be trying to fix the parking brake. Now I know for sure that the cables and everything are still hooked up. It just doesn't want to click and hold in place. As you can see, my trigger fell out, and I thought the insides of this right here was completely broken. Then I went ahead and bought a new one like an idiot, instead of looking at if it could just, you know, pop off, or you know, if something popped off or broke or something like that. No, I went ahead and bought a brand new one, and I started playing with this thing. And basically what happened to mine was it did exactly what it just did there. And I reckon I had the e-brake too far up, and it jumped off like this right here. And that's what causes the button to jump out, and it comes out. And now I can't get it to go back up in there, so all it's doing is this right here. So what I need to do with my, what you do with the, when this happens, so you have to, there's a place, this right here is supposed to hold on to the hook. Right? You're supposed to hold on to the hook. So what you need to do is put that heel, if I can get back in here, put that back on the hook, push it all the way back, then you can push that down, and then you have your e-brake again. Right? Okay, so that's all that's wrong with mine. I hope it didn't do anything else, but hopefully that's what's the matter with mine. And we're gonna work on it, and hopefully I can get it fixed without having to move a seat. Okay, I couldn't really get a good angle on it, but as you can see here, I need to take these off, lift it up, push it back into the hook, and it should be alright. 10 millimeter and a flathead screwdriver. And I don't have a whole lot of stress on mine, so this will come off easy. Just take it off like that right there. And now I can't really get a good angle on this, so you guys are just going to have to look at the top here and pray that I can get this in the hook here. Wish I had a small camera I could stick up in there. Alright, got it clicking again. Now, put this back on. Tighten that up a little bit here. Actually, that might be enough. Okay, so I tested out the parking brake and it seems to be doing alright. It's you know, these brakes are the best in the world. You know, everybody's telling me to go to the pads. Instead of doing like the rotor brakes, just going to like the pads like these things have. Or not that. Like the front brakes on the Samurai. You put them on here. They'll have to be special made for this kind of car. But I do know that they make them. I wasn't talking about putting those brakes on that thing. It'd be kind of silly. Put the Japanese on the German. It probably wouldn't be the first time, but yeah, E-brake works now. I'm happy. Now I don't have to leave it in gear when I park it. So yeah, that was a quick little video tutorial, but go in there, turn this thing around because it's flipped over, and got it done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this is helpful to anybody that is just like, what in the world's going on with my e-brake? But yeah, I hope it was helpful. Don't mind the mess. I'm a messy person, especially when I work on something. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and this has been Clanker's Garage.